In fourth place is the Rowenta Eco Steam Pro DG9640 for anyone who irons regularly and values removing the tank, filling it under the tap and replacing it without moving the station. Capacity is 1.3 litres with 8 bar, 150 grams per minute of continuous steam and a 580 gram boost. 5 settings adapt steam to the fabric, and the soleplate distributes it through 400 micro holes. Rowenta also says it is up to 5 times quieter than the range it replaces, uses up to 42% recycled materials, and is repairable for 15 years. Its strengths are the removable tank, lower noise, and scale collector. The large, heavy base and high price are harder to justify if you iron only 2 shirts. It ranks 4th because it is highly capable, but the next models reduce adjustments or fatigue even further.